Hi everyone, and this is, as you can see, I've been having lots of happy post. Like I said, had a little bit of disposable income this month for the first time in a little while. So this is an order from Krafty Koala, and also in this one, which is going to be really fun for me, my sister's been making me some stickers and bits and pieces, but she has a love-hate relationship with her cricket machine, or cricket, however you pronounce it. You know I'm terrible at pronouncing things by now. So anyway, I spoke to Hattie because obviously she's been making the bow cards herself, and she made me, obviously I paid for them, but she's actually made me some bow cards and things like that, so they're all in here as well. So let's move this out of the way, and just so you know, between the branding and the ribbon and the felt, because obviously I want to make the deer ear tutorial for you as well, so I wanted to make these. I'm just waiting on my felty delivery. So this was a felt that I planned to use these, and obviously got that ribbon back as well. So let's have a look. And I've got lots. I've got more pearlescent ribbon because Hattie got more colours in, and I showed you the Lovecraft version of the gold edge ribbon. Again, Krafty Koala also has some, but she has alternative colours. So because I'm me and I have no impulse control, obviously I had to buy from both and get all of the colours because that's just how I function. So as you can see, I got all the colours, and I also got a lot of the 9mm colours that I didn't have already in the gold for my centres, because again, even just doing the gold edge, it just does in your centre ribbon. Like I said, it makes such a pop to the bow compared to others. And in this one, it's got the pearlescent grosgrain and the satin pearlescent ribbon. So she's got more colours of the grosgrain pearlescent. So I'll just tell you all the colours I've got. So on the gold edge, I've got lilac, sunshine yellow, baby blue, purple, shocking pink and electric blue in the gold edge. And then I've got black pearl, baby blue, white pearl, baby pink and silver in the grosgrain. And then I've got silver pearl satin, gold pearl satin, custom logo cards, and biscuit felt, black felt, red felt, baby pink felt, caramel felt, brown felt, and warning stickers, because like I said, I'm going full on with my branding, so I wanted some more warning stickers to add to my bows as well. So this is the equivalent of £50. So as you can see, got the gorgeous pearlescent blue and black in the grosgrain there. Got the white and the baby pink here. These are so pretty, they are so shimmery. And again, this gold is just amazing. And there's the silver again. I love the silver. You saw the Amora Glamour that I did in the silver version to show off the tutorial, and like I said, again, this is the perfect like gingerbread or Christmassy gold. Like I said, it's amazing. So love those ones. As you can see, all the gold edged colours here. So there's the electric blue, the lilac and the sunshine yellow, and there's the baby blue, the purple and the shocking pink. And then here's my little bow cards, and I've got some bigger ones and some smaller ones because I want to be able to do baby headbands across the wider ones as well. I want to be able to do baby headband sets, so I wanted these ones so I could do a couple of baby band sets across there like that and still see my brand logo. So like I said, I'm going to have fun with these. So these are the A5 cards, and she's matched my writing to my lettering on my logo that Bobby did for me. So I've got my Facebook group, my Instagram name and my YouTube on those, because obviously I want to show them off in videos. I want to do more branding in my videos as well. And their portrait, and then I've done the landscape smaller cards just for individual bows. So if I've just got one small bow to show off, or a clip or something, then these will be perfect. And I've got my rotary cutter so I can cut my slots exactly where I want them. So they're absolutely perfect. Let's put them on my desk. I need them in eyesight because I also have this problem. If I don't keep things where I can see them, I forget they exist and they no longer register in my brain. So I need to put them somewhere that I'm going to be able to. And then I got this sheet of warning choking hazards to put on the back of my bow cards as well. And as you saw there, I got some 100% wool felt as well. So I got black, red, pink and some browns because, like I said, I want to do the reindeer ears, so they're absolutely perfect for that. So hopefully you found this super useful. As you can see, different suppliers do different colours, so like I said, it's always worth shopping around. Like I said, I love all of the suppliers that I've mentioned in the bow making unboxing videos. Like I said, they all offer completely different things. Another thing we tend to do is we have a habit of associating certain suppliers with certain things, so do have a look in their categories. You will find some things that you would never thought that they would possibly stock. So like I said, have a good look through everything. You'll find some surprises that you would never have expected people to actually keep in themselves. Like I said, there is some absolute stunners out there. This is unique to Krafty Koala, these pearlescent ones. They are absolutely amazing. They add such pop to your bows. So like I said, they're one of my favourite ones. I am obsessed, you know from my videos, I'm obsessed with gold edge and silver edge ribbon. And again, Krafty Koala and Lovecraft, as far as I know, are the only two suppliers of those in the UK. And they do it in multiple widths. They do the 1.5 inches and they do the 1 inch and the 9mm. So like I said, again, it's some of those things to like look into and play around and work out what sort of ribbon that you like and enjoy working with. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.